parachutes.
Love that.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. Ooh, we like those a lot, people.
It's like
What are those? I've never seen those kinds before.
It's like
Why?
this one and that one. That's
So pretty.
yes.
Yes. These are really pretty.
Those are so good.
That echo is crazy.
The next one. Yes.
I know. Those little fireworks? They're so pretty. Like I've never seen fireworks like those before.
Sneaky bats. Boom, boom, boom. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Yes. Totally. Pew, pew, and then they flame out.
Yes. This isn't so
They sound like dying dragons.
I like them a lot.
Dying dragons?
They're like, oh yes. Ooh, I love those cool. It is like asteroids. It is just like a little thing. Oh, and the noise, the dogs and the veterans, they're all suffering horribly. And all the wildlife. I know, but let's not talk about that. Oh, the birds, I know, everything. Ooh, I bet that's really cool.
This is like asteroids. Look at that guy shooting down.
It's the grand finale, I think.
No,
No?
no.
That's just yes.
Leave a good 10 more minutes, please. Holy cow! Oh my God! What the heck?
Blow the horn. He gave us an air horn.
No, the horn
Do you have a
isn't
horn?
working.
I know. He gave us an air horn.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
It's in there.
Give it a hug.